I adamantly attack the alphabet with an anecdotal algorithm made of adamantium. I'm like an Adderall addicted anaconda or an alcoholic or an asshole like A-Rod. No anabolics, but I brutally and beautifully butcher the banging beat. Brushing bubbly all over your booby and booty beef, cause I'm a carpenter. I come carving your carcass, leaving all these cartfish crushed on the carpet. Crumbling crawn in Colorado with my cow cronies. I'm cramming it full of condiments like it's a calzone. Delicious, I didn't drive and drink. Whether diamonds or dimes, man, I'm diving deep like an electric eel. I'm elegantly eloquent in every cent I've ever earned. Just enter me in the election. I got 11 brains like an enormously educated Einstein. Well, elephantitis to the erection. I'm free. I'm fighting with a flat-footed felon. 5 falcons just flew to a fountain and fell in. Google it. Googly-eyed girls to get inside. Golly G from Glasgow to Guatemala's gentrified. A hippopotamus is high in hair when he heckles me in higher station. Hang damn, this hoe a hysterectomy and hateful hieroglyph for her like hyperbolic hubris and hang with hipster Helen. That's a hooker with the huge hips. I'm ill. I'm Icarus. I ignite idiots and idioms and issues. Jumpy jargon. I joust like Jacare Jive in Japanese judo and jujitsu. Killing them like a kid. Got a kilogram academy for Kwanzaa. Nidikamoto, dragon skin. Rich like a Klingon that be kicking it at the Kremlin, but I'm kicking through your door. Call me Kramer Kardashian. Lethal. Literally literal. Little limerick that be littler than a leprechaun. A menace out of manifesting melancholy mayhem, making a metamorphosis until I mechanize like Megatron. Nick Nolte, a nerdy native of Nebraska, needs a neon ninja and a nectarine from NASA. Ominously, I mean it's obvious you see a orthodontist using out oodles of onomatopoeias. Oswald Patton, picking a pocket, plucking a patent. I pick a purple poop and Patron for pure passion. I got a question, gotta quiz ya. Let's step on the gas and go quicker. We're really getting ready for the revolution. Reel the rotten rhythm, ring around the Russian Ronda Rousey resort. Serve a simple cinnamon assembly that's smoking like a sheet of Sudafed. I'm swimming like a seahorse. Cities on a tell her that'll toe tag. Terminator gun inside a turtle tattered tote bag. Thugs are un-American, unattractive, and I want it as an ugly pair of Uggs. Vivid, evasively venomous with the wicked wombats. Only working with women is getting xenophobic at the Xanadu. XOXO. Yippee-ki-yay, yours truly, Mac. Yes, yo. Oh shit, I forgot Z. Zebra.